Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Sunday. I just checked my post office box and I was so excited to receive this. This came from Canada. Can you see that? It's from Elise. I crossed out all of her. Thank you so much, Elise. I'm so excited to get this. I'm going to open it up. Let me zoom out. I hope that this is for the Granny Square project that I asked everyone to send me a Granny Square so we can make a project together. So I'm so excited. I have not opened it. Let's see, from Canada. That is super exciting. I should have got some scissors. Let me get some scissors. Hold on one second. Three, two, one. Okay, I have scissors right here. I'm going to open it. So like about a week ago, I think, I made a quick little video. I saw this on a couple of other channels, YouTube channels, where fans of the channel send in a Granny Square, and then the owner of the, oh, look at this fancy thing. The channel owner makes a project. So once I start getting these, hopefully, God, this is like super duper packaging. Look at this. That's really nice. Hopefully I start getting some and eventually I'll make a project out of it. Sorry, I'm totally like ruining this package, but I can't open it. Let's see what this is. I'm so excited. I don't want to ruin it. Let's see here. There's a note. Aww, I'm gonna start crying. What's this? Oh my God, I'm totally gonna start crying. Oh, that is so beautiful. Wow, do you see that? Let me zoom out a little bit. This is so beautiful. Look at how gorgeous that Granny Square is. Oh my God, I'm totally going to start crying. Thank you so much. Again, she sent this from Canada. Elise, thank you so much. It's so gorgeous. What can I do? I think I don't know. You guys, look at how beautiful that is. Start sending them, please. I would love to make a beautiful blanket, or even, you know what, a wearable, like a jacket. That would be so beautiful. I'm totally going to start crying. She even put a little card or a note to Zola Designs. Oh, hi, beautiful maker. You will find Granny Square. Hope you can use it. I will use it, honey. Thank you so much. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm so excited. So you guys, if you can, and if you want to participate in this, I'm sorry, I don't even know what to say. I mean, I put this out there and I'm so excited that I even received this. So thank you so much. If you guys want to participate, my address, I'm even shaking. My address is in my about section. And yeah, make granny squares. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be anything. But I would love to make a project with everyone's granny square, and I think that is so cool. And thank you so, so much, Elise. Thank you. It's gorgeous. What a great gift. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone for watching. If you can, please send me a granny square. I'm so excited. So, so excited. And thank you so, so much, Elise. That is, I mean, it's so beautiful. It's so sweet of you. Thank you, and thank you everyone watching. I know I have a lot of giveaways to pick and everything, but thank you. I'm going to start crying. Thank you so much, and we'll see each other in the next video.